Alright, you guys, here's round 2 of my Dollar General 5 off 25 scenario. Keep watching. Alright, we're going to do the Glad garbage bags. There is a coupon, a digital coupon on the app that you must clip. We're going to grab one of these. Keep watching. Alright, we're going to grab one of these right here for $4.50. There is a dollar digital coupon, $1 off on the Dollar General app that you must clip to your account. Keep watching. Okay, the next item that we're going to pick up, we're going to get one of these. There is a digital coupon on the app that you must clip. Keep watching. All right, you guys, I'm sorry I had to do a voiceover. There was so much noise in the background. But the next item that I picked up was the Jergens body wash for $6. And there is a $3 off one digital coupon that you must clip to your Dollar General account. Keep watching. All right, the next item that we're going to grab, we're going to get the Jergens lotions. At my store, it's $3.75. There is a digital coupon that you can clip to your Dollar General digital account. Keep watching. All right, you guys. Here is my receipt. Well, my receipts. Sorry about the torn one, but this is what happened. So as I was going over my receipt, which I should have did that before I left the store, I got home and I realized that my $3 digital coupon did not come off for my Jergens body wash. So I went back to the store, I returned it, repurchased it, and my $3 coupon came off. So for this total transaction, I paid $9.75. Yes, $9.75. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Please share this video and do one more thing for me. Keep watching.